In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mercury customer support using phone, chat, and email. Let's embark on this journey to ensure you never find yourself stuck without assistance when you need it the most. First, let's head over to Mercury's official website. You'll want to use your preferred browser and type in their web address, or simply follow a search link to get there. Once on the home page, the next thing you need to do is locate the Resources tab at the top of the page. Hover over this section and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, click on the Help Center option. This area is a treasure trove of information and is a good starting point if you have any inquiries or run into issues. Now that you're in the Help Center, you'll notice a search box. This is a powerful tool to narrow down exactly what you're looking for. Try typing in customer support as a straightforward way to locate relevant articles and contact methods specific to your needs. After hitting enter, scroll down the page until you find the Contacting Our Support Team link. Clicking on this link will reveal all the different ways to reach out to Mercury. For those of you who already have an account with Mercury, you'll find that logging into your account is the best way to get personalized help. After logging in, look for the Contact Us option, then fill out the provided form so that the support team can get back to you. If you haven't set up an account yet, or if you prefer not to log in, don't worry, Mercury has you covered. You can email their support team directly at the address provided on the page. Let's say you're back on the home page. If you scroll down, you'll come across another contact link. Clicking this will display a variety of different ways you can get assistance. New customers can directly email them at help@mercury.com, while those making media inquiries might want to use press@mercury.com. Lastly, for anyone considering a partnership or collaboration with Mercury, there's a distinct procedure for you too. Navigate back to their homepage, find the section titled Partner with Us, and click on Team Up with Mercury. Here, you'll be asked to fill out a detailed form with your information and any relevant details. Once you've completed this, be sure to click Submit Form to ensure your request reaches the right people. And there you have it, a simple, detailed guide to getting in touch with Mercury's customer support, whether you're a current client, a new user, or looking to collaborate. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made your task a little easier.